If you're wondering whether you should use CBO or ABO, which is better for your testing, which is better for your scaling, which will get you the better results, this is the exact video for you. I've been running ads for 8 years now. We manage millions of dollars in ad spend every single month to this date. So I can tell you from personal experience and actual data what is working right now, what should you use, and when you should use it. Now, the truth is ABO or CBO is not competing with each other. What is the case is there are different stages where you should use each. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you exactly when to use which and how to implement that as well, because implementation is the most important part. Also, before we jump right into it, I'm offering free one-on-one consultation calls. I've opened a couple of spots. And the reason I do this is just to give back to you guys and help you as my subscribers. All I ask is you like this video, subscribe. Then after you watch this video, click the link in the description, book a free call with me. On the call, you can ask me anything about ads, marketing, store, whatever you're struggling with. I'll be more than happy to help you out. With that being said, and wasting no more time, let's jump right into the videos. First and foremost, let's talk about, well, what does each one do? Because it's very important to understand what each does before you figure out where to use each. So CBO is very simple. It stands for campaign budget optimization. And what this basically means is you set your budget at the campaign level, and however many ad sets you have inside that, Facebook will then figure out which ad set gets what spend based on the performance, right? And now one of the most common problems a lot of people face when it comes to CBOs is a lot of your ad sets will not end up getting spent. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to tell you exactly how to fix that later in the video as well. So that is basically CBO. Very simple, very straightforward. ABO stands for ad set budget optimization. This is where you set a dedicated budget per ad set. So your campaign, inside that, let's say you have 10 ad sets, each ad set will get its own budget, right? So you decide exactly how much money each ad set spends. And this could be a total failure, because you could, give an ad set that ends up getting no sales the same budget as the ad set that ends up getting sales. And that is why it's important to figure out, well, when to use which. And that is what I'm going to explain to you in this video. So now this single mechanical difference explains almost everything about when CBO or ABO should be used. CBO is basically designed to find and reward a winner automatically across multiple ad sets, right? Because when you set a CBO, Facebook sees which ad set is performing well and it pushes more of your campaign budget into that ad set. Whereas with ABO, all ad sets get equal guaranteed spend. So the question leads, well, when should you use each? First, let's talk about testing. When you're testing, ABO is generally better, and I'm going to explain exactly why. Now, I'll be honest, for the most part, we for our clients end up using CBO for testing as well. So this very highly also depends on your ad account. If you're just getting started, you don't have much data, then ABO is the way to go. If I look at your ad and based on your data, CBO fits better. For example, for most of our clients, we end up using CBO, then CBO is the case. But for most people, if you're just getting started, if you don't have much data, ABO is best for testing. So I'm also going to show you how you can use CBO for testing as well, solving the biggest problem, which is some of your ad sets don't get enough spend. But in terms of ABO for testing, the reason why I recommend it for most people who are just getting started or don't have much data is because with this, you can give each ad set an equal chance. If each ad set has different kinds of creative, that means each creative also gets enough chance to prove itself, and therefore it is much easier for you to make a decision on which to scale and which to cut. Right? It is a very simple, straightforward way of testing. However, when we use CBO for our clients for a testing campaign, the way we set it up to avoid the problem of ad sets not getting enough spend is set a minimum daily spend. In Facebook, in your ad set, you can go and set a daily minimum spend for each ad set. And that way we make sure that each ad set gets at least a minimum ad spend, figure out if it should be scaled or not. And that is the way you tackle the problem of ad sets not getting enough spend with a CBO, right? So that is CBO and ABO for testing. Now let's talk about scaling. For scaling, 100% always use CBO. Once you have a proven winner, which means you have a clear signal of which creatives and which ad sets perform well, then you want to go into a scaling CBO campaign, because now you're trying to squeeze the maximum efficient spend out of what you already know works. And that is exactly what CBO is built for. Now, inside a CBO scaling campaign, you have multiple ad sets, but just make sure you have broad targeting. Don't have narrow targeting for the most part. Just leave the targeting empty. Now, this will give Facebook enough flexibility to go and spend and shift your budget dynamically based on which ad sets perform well. Now, also because given all the ad sets and all the creatives inside a scaling campaign are going to be proven winners from a testing campaign, so we can freely let Facebook decide which to push more and which not to push more based on the number and the data that it gets, based on the overall performance of all these winners. So understand, it's not about ABO versus CBO. You just need to understand when you should use each for the best performance. And I hope this video answered that for you. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I've opened a couple of spots for a free one-on-one consultation call directly with me. Again, this is just a way of me getting back to you guys for being a part of the channel. I ask you to subscribe. Click the link in the description, book a free call with me. On the call will go your ads, marketing, store, conversion rate, whatever you're struggling with. Ask away. I'd be more than happy to help you out and help you scale your store. Just make sure you subscribe. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure you do a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.